Jonas, and I'm on Coheed in Cambria 2019 summer tour. I have a typical story that starts with theater school, gets sucked into rock and roll, and then falls in love with the idea of making money doing concerts, you know? It's that simple. Just follow a dream till it, proves to be profitable. I would say go to the biggest city you can go to, find the biggest shop possible, and learn everything you can about not only your side of the trade, but like all the crafts nearby. That way you're educated in not just how to do your job, but also how to speak to others, how to work in an environment with other departments, and just try and get as big of an experience as possible. We've currently got 30 mega points and about 20 something Robe spiders. My favorite wash light, my favorite hybrid, and the wash light is great because it's not only a wonderful wash, but it provides a lot of effects and some cool tricks and some really narrow tight beam visuals. And the mega points do everything I need a hybrid to do. Great spot, great beam, super punchy colors, super bright, crisp optics. And for me, I really want optics to be able to shoot through video, and all of that plays into just, everything I would want in a toolkit. Support's been great. JRLX in Chicago, my good friends Kevin and Jason provided us with the lighting. Awesome gear. Gave us techs Scott and crew chief Chud. Great work, great support, love everything they do. To the Moon Rigging gave us touring rigging services, as well as our tour rigger Andrew. Phenomenal guys, always set you up for success every day of this tour. And then our last vendor, Solotech, for video wall, gave us Luke, Seiko S6, great wall, great tech, really good service. Everything that was promised was delivered really well. Couldn't be happy with all of them. It's a real sort of in-your-face, guttural, emotional connection with the music. We want to feel and see everything in a visceral way. It's a lot of fun. I think the fans are going to experience little moments that sort of harken to the comic book storyline that follow the band, as well as some really cool visuals that sort of are very emotional to how the songs are written. So it's very catered in every way to a fan base experience. People that know the music, know the story, know the ethos of the band as well.